Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe.
Toys.
We're here again at the TTPM Holiday Showcase Experience with part 2 of our coverage of the best holiday toys for 2018. First, we visited the MindWare booth. MindWare makes the best scented putty with fresh scents that will relax your senses with their spa line and yummy familiar scents like peanut butter and jelly. They're also sold in packs of 3 for just under $11, so you can break them up and share them with your friends or keep them all for yourself. I like to break them up and put them in the stocking to save some money on stocking stuffers. MindWare also has a fun cooperative game called Gnomes at Night, where you and a friend play together to get out of a maze and save the treasure. You're not playing against one another, but together, so everyone is a winner if you complete the puzzle. If you both get trapped, you both lose the game, so work together to solve that puzzle. A toy that Marcello really loved at TTPM was the Cuba Maze 2.0 Starter Light Set. It's a building toy and you have to puzzle the pieces together. You have to puzzle together the correct routes for the ball to travel. When it reaches a certain point, the blocks light up. There are different colors with variations of color, so you can get the cool colors with cooler temperatures like blue, clear, and green. Or you can get the warmer collection with warmer tones like orange, red, and yellow. The starter light set is a mixture of colors and will be sure to delight you or your kiddo. The starter set is $34.95 and the smaller sets are $24.95 each.
Wait, how did that do that?
I lifted it up.
You roll it up? Let me see. Lift it up. Oh, cool. Awesome.
I don't know. I wonder if the cartoon is meant to.
Can I get some of these?
Well, she's from geek.com, not from Hasbro.
Although they.
In the Hasbro booth, there was a world of cool toys waiting for us. Let's begin with the new Trolls hair slap bands. Starting at $3.99, you get a mystery slap band inside, and each one features characters from the DreamWorks Trolls movie. Their hair extends and wraps around your wrists, so wear your new toy everywhere you go. So bring your Trolls with you everywhere you go. Also, new My Little Pony blind boxes are out called Friendship Party. Each capsule includes 2 toy surprises featuring friends from the Cutie Mark crew. Also new for toy surprises are the new Disney Princess collection, featuring your favorite Disney princesses for Series 1. We love this Play-Doh poop set, where you can fashion your own Play-Doh poop. Dress up your poop in 50+ variations. For a real Ricky, the trick-loving pup will grab the attention of everyone with his know-how to do some adorable tricks. Our favorite was when he grabbed his own treat from his nose. New in games for Hasbro, Connect 4 Shots is a new way to play Connect 4 by flinging your colored ball into the game board. Play it in a closed-off area though, as these balls bounce like crazy. Who doesn't love Fortnite? Now you can play it in Monopoly style and take over the land by monopolizing the game board. No weapons needed and no parachute either. You can also play Monopoly for cheaters. So cool. I never cheated at Monopoly, and I'm telling the truth. Have you ever cheated? Let me know in the comments below. We are super excited to see that Super Monsters now has their own line of toys. Join the Super Monsters as the sun goes down and the monsters go up, and they turn into their monster selves. Super Monsters is a show on Netflix, and it follows the lives of the children of the monsters, and we see their spooky, fun adventures. Now you can play with poseable figures and this cool school bus. It has real working headlights, batwing, open and closed roof, and the figures sit perfectly inside.
It's so cool that they came out with this.
That's so cool.
Yeah, it is so cool.
Can I see?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, look, it lights up.
I wish the basket.
This show is so cute. Really, really good.
Yes, we're in love with them.
They're so adorable.
From magic with Harry Potter to mayhem, with a new collection of surprise dinosaurs, Mattel has a little something for everyone. Imaginext toys, dinosaurs, Polly Pocket
And look, you
playsets,
see
the
this
Barbie
one?
dream
This one has a little toilet in there.
A crew of hot toys.
What is
But the
this
show winner was
Yeah, a little
definitely the
toilet.
Hot
You see
Wheels
it?
playset.
I see it.
Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
Did you see the Imaginext set? The Batman? How cool is that? Watch over here, buddy. Watch. There, he's recording them. Hold on 1 second, okay? Sorry. Look, this is Hot Wheels.
I think we spent most of our time in the Mattel booth. Marcello could not stop playing with this new Hot Wheels Ultimate Gator car wash. This is a massive playset, but it does a bunch of cool things. There are ramps for the vehicles to go down to get washed. You can add water in the well at the bottom, and you press the top, and it spins around and around, and it actually includes a color changing vehicle. So it turns colors with different colors in the water. There's also a conveyor style belt. There is also a conveyor style belt that will bring up the cars to the very top of the playset, and the Hot Wheels cars can go down to 2 different ramps. Marcello played with this toy for a good 20 minutes before I dragged him away. Santa may have a hard time bringing this big toy into our small apartment.
Now lift it up. Nice, and then you press this button. Whoa, it's like a big car wash. It's called the Gator car wash.
No, we circled it.
Oh, you turn it. Turn it. There you go. Good job, buddy. Whoa.
Excuse me, Kari.
You have to take a look at this Power Wheels Barbie Dream Camper. It's a ride-on vehicle. It's about $400, but it includes everything. Take a look. I want this for myself. Like, I want it for myself now.
Oh my gosh, Barbie is styling with this new and improved RV. I've never seen anything like this before. Look, there's a microwave. She has her own fire pit.
The hot dog fell.
Does this light up? No, it does not. The hot dog fell? OMG. Oh my gosh, if you open it up, look, it's a refrigerator. There's the hot dog. Please don't put it in your mouth. How cool is that? It's an open and closed door. She has s'mores in there. She has an oven. She even has a grill. That is awesome. Oh, he's looking under the hood. Yeah, and look, she even has navigation too, and cup holders. That is so cool. Say cheese.
The Harry Potter Poseable Dolls collection by Mattel truly are dream dolls. All of them look so real. I felt like Hermione was going to tell me to stop filming her. Even Ginny looks fabulous with her two-tone color hair. Professor Dumbledore and Professor McGonagall look fantastic in their intricately detailed robes. Harry and Ron are the pictures of perfection too. I just love these dolls, and I can't wait to see more come out. I'd love to see maybe Luna Lovegood. These dolls are truly magical with their details in their robes and the fact that they have wands. I love it. From head to toe, these dolls are simply magical.
Oh my gosh, look at Dumbledore. Looks amazing.
Let's go back in time to the Toy Insider's Holiday of Play where we saw Mighty Beans and Little Secrets. The cutest part of that booth were little live pets, puppy that gives kisses, rolls over, and is just the cutest and cuddliest plush puppy ever. There are 3 different types of pups that There are 3 different kinds of pups that can be yours this holiday season.
Will be a Target exclusive. So everything rolls out October 1st, it just depends. And the price point? It's $54.99.
Oh, okay, and he's nationwide, or every store, and he's just limited.
Yep,
okay.
this one's in
Excellent, so cute.
Let's go back to TTPM. In the Moose Toys booth, we saw the new Pick Me Flips. They are the latest in Pick Me Pops, and inside you will find reversible Pick Me Plush, and they are heavenly scented. They are so soft and sweet like cotton candy.
Inspired plush. Oh, it smells good too. Wait. Oh wow, smell this one. Oh my gosh, smells so good.
Next we have My Bro, and it's the coolest and hottest toy by Moose from their Really Rad Robots line. My Bro isn't your typical toy robot, because you can teach him cool tricks and team up with him to prank your friends. With My Bro, you'll be a pranking master in no time. With a really rad remote, you can speak through it and add different filters to change the sound of your voice. It defends you from enemies with a detachable blaster, and you can even attach a tray to serve treats. In the Kid Tracks booth, let's check out Scout. He's a ride-on pony that you can care for by feeding, brushing, and nurturing him. Once he's fed and happy, go out for a ride in your Kid Tracks Ride-A-Mo. Scout even has his own stable. Marcello desperately wanted to park Scout inside the stable, but they wouldn't let him. Scout is pretty pricey at just below $400 bucks.
Wait, let's try to feed them the carrot. Feed him a carrot. He's hungry after that ride that you gave him.
Can you hear him?
Oh!
Sometimes he's hungry, sometimes he's not. Sometimes he's very gassy.
It was party time in the Spin Master booth, where every pop results in an explosion of colorful and shiny confetti. Buy them individually or as huge party packs. They've even added fun playsets to the line because each capsule contains a party guest and accessories. Spin Master has now officially added Series 4 to the mix of Hatchimals collectibles. This series is called Hatch Bright, and you can illuminate your little Hatchy friends and watch them glow. Each Hatchimal collectible is translucent to really let the light shine through. We even saw Princess T and Princess Fam from Princess Toys Review in the Spin Master booth, so it made it super magical.
Who is it? Who is it? Oh my gosh. How cute. Oh my gosh. Now you can make it light up over here. Oh. Look, lights up. Because it's translucent, you see?
Whoa!
How cute.
I kind of want to get just one more.
No, just one, only one, because you know there's a lot of kids here and they all need to take a turn to open, okay? You want to take your egg with you?
No.
Oh, look, there's Princess T and Princess Fan.
Thank you.
Hi again. He's super awesome. Thank you. He has his own YouTube channel too.
Redwood Ventures booth included our favorite squishies, Smushy Mushy Baby and Smashy Mashy, as well as Series 4 Cups and Cakes, Smushy Mushy. We also saw our favorite game, Flying Sushi Kitchen. IMC Toys line of babies called Crybabies will pull at your heartstrings, and your parental instincts will kick in once these babies start tearing up. Soothe them and comfort them with their pacifier to make the waterworks stop flowing. Choose from one of 4 babies, Coney, Lammy, Leah, and Lala, or adopt all 4. Ryan's World Toys will have a whole new way to interact with Ryan. Starting November, search for the giant golden egg, and inside you may even find the golden ticket. This golden ticket works Willy Wonka style, but instead of eating lots of chocolate from a chocolate river, you could eat lots of Kinder chocolate eggs with Ryan. This is every kid's dream, as Ryan Toys Review is a top 5 highest YouTube channels ever, even competing with top networks like Nickelodeon and Disney. In the line that Ryan developed with Bonkers Toys and Pocket Watch, you will find surprise eggs, articulating action figures, squishy toys, t-shirts, and lots of slime. We had a blast at TTPM, from meeting our favorite YouTubers to seeing the rarest Hair Doorables dolls. Check out our blog at tubitoys.com to see more of our holiday coverage and gift guides. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell. Every time we post a new video or host a giveaway, you'll be the first to know. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.
a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll